If clubroot is found on your farm, managing this disease shifts to minimizing further spread, preventing it from spreading within the infested field, to other fields on the farm, and to the community in general. If clubroot is found to be located in a small patch in the field, then every effort needs to be implemented to prevent anything from contacting the infested soil. This applies especially for machinery and tillage equipment. Tillage has been shown to be a significant contributor to spreading clubroot spores from the infested area. Research has shown that clubroot is often initially found near the field entrance. This suggests that it has been introduced by infested soil entering from another field. The infested soil at the entrance eventually gets distributed throughout the field with normal soil movement. This is not always the case, however, so scouting all areas in the field is important. If found early enough, infested patches can be as small as a pickup truck and can hopefully be managed. To manage a small patch of clubroot, begin by pulling up canola plants in all directions outward from the infested area. Continue until you are unable to find plants with disease symptoms. Remove all plants from an area at least twice the size of the suspected infested area. Bag and destroy these plants. The next step in managing this infested patch is to make it easily identifiable. This can include grassing over the affected area and even fencing it off if possible.
Seeding the grass cover crop means that the soil doesn't move. So you're not spreading that pathogen to the rest of the field. But we're also interested in finding cover crops that can actually stimulate the germination of the resting spores in the soil. So the quantity of resting spores will go down faster than if you didn't have a cover crop in place.
The grassed areas can be monitored by soil sampling to estimate the number of resting spores present. Once the spore load is approaching non-detectable levels, the grass can be terminated and the area can be farmed again. Grassing areas, including field entrances, can provide growers with other benefits. A place to remove or knock off soil before leaving the field, and erosion control. Often entrances are heavily compacted, waterlogged, and do not provide a substantial yield return on investment. So dedicating a grassy area at all field entrances could be a wise decision. Another management practice that could slow the movement of clubroot spores from field to field is to create a separate field exit as far from the current entrance as possible. This will reduce the chances that machinery will leave the field carrying infested soil. If the current entrance is heavily infested, chances are high the pathogen will hitch a ride on traffic leaving from here and move to another field. Lime increases soil pH and available calcium, which reduces the severity of clubroot in canola. The right source of calcium, when used at the right time, the right place, and the right rate, can have a significant effect on clubroot. That said, lime does not completely control the disease.